Hi, James Acuna, Sunset RV, Bonnie Lake, Washington. Thanks for clicking on the link to see our quick video on the 2013 Forest River Cardinal fifth wheel trailer model 3550, stock number N390. This has the outside entertainment TV, big basement storage. This is full gen prep. This also has 6-point hydraulic leveling jacks, large kitchen counter space, large double sink, large flat screen TV. We also have a fireplace, lots of storage cabinets, 2 rear recliners in the Mastercraft leather, and a Mastercraft sofa in leather with air mattress bed. We do have wardrobe closet, double entry bathroom, full walk around bed, closet space with washer dryer hookups. And that is cedar lined. Nice wood appointments on all the cabinetry. Once again, thanks for looking at our quick video. Please give me a call today at the number above for more information and today's special internet pricing. Have a good day.